Transform how your factory functions. Swap out heaps of paper for clever digital solutions. Embrace the Kanban board, a pivotal element of the Kanban system, renowned for its simplicity and clarity from any distance within your manufacturing space. Effortlessly log downtime with a quick entry or a barcode scan from any mobile device, prompting immediate notifications for relevant teams to address. Seamlessly integrate this with your IoT processes or SAP solutions to align with routine maintenance and ensure preventative actions are consistent. With rapid responsiveness at its core, our Kanban system is fully integrated with Microsoft Office 365 and connects to a global SMS gateway. It sends you instant alerts and orchestrates follow-ups via email, Microsoft Teams, and directly to your mobile devices, ensuring you're always a step ahead. Kanban's inherent flexibility allows your teams to swiftly adapt to changing priorities or unexpected disruptions, ensuring production plans are always up to date and responsive to market demands or supply chain shifts. Our system brings the power of visual analytics to your fingertips, transforming complex data into clear, actionable insights. With the ability to set key performance indicators and delve into pattern analysis, you're equipped to refine your manufacturing operations continually. Embedded within our framework is the Six Sigma's robust DMAIC methodology. Define, measure, analyze, improve, and control to maximize capacity utilization and drive relentless improvement. The time for change is now. Minimize your ownership costs and revolutionize your manufacturing with the Inextricable Group. Innovate with us. Smart moves bring rewards.